Huge Watson sale. First is itong Gluta Hya Serum Burst Lotion Deep Nourishment Night Cream or Overnight Lotion. 70 times amino peptide. It revitalizes your skin. Next is this one. This is Gluta Hya Lotion Dewy Radiance and Gluta Glow with Hyaluron Niacinamide. Fights dullness for dewy, bright skin. So, 565 yan. Pero nakuha ko na lang siya ng 565 itong dalawa. And next is this one. This is L'Oreal Paris Excellence Fashion Hair Color. This is for 500 plus 244. Maganda yung color niya. This is Espresso Ash Brown. This one naman is 50% off. Itong Retinol Max Serum. Yung jar nila is buy one take one, 1,999. This one is parang mas maganda siya para sa akin. Itong serum. Okay siya for lines and wrinkles. And it will plump your skin. I-try nyo siya kasi maganda for your kung age nyo or 50 to 60, okay siya. Next, ito naman Pantene is 25% off. Members get max discount. Mas okay siya pag member kayo. Ito is Bond Repair with Melting Pro Vitamin Pearls. Daily serum treatment for your dry or frizzy hair. Next is ito yung mga presyo niya. So first itong Oil Regenerist Max is 2,499. Nakuha ko na lang siya ng 1,249. Ang malaki yung discount din niya. Next is itong L'Oreal is 509. Nakuha ko na lang siya ng 254.50. Next is itong Pantene Daily Serum is 149. May discount siya 37.25. So, 111 lang siya. Next is ito namang Niacinamide. Niacinamide Retinol Cloud Soap. Glutathione, shea butter, and hyaluronic acid. Okay to sa skin kasi magre-regenerate yung skin nyo. Mas magiging soft and maalis yung mga pagka-dry skin, pag-retinol, ganon, less wrinkles or lines sa skin natin. At matagal ko na rin ginagamit kasi to. Yung iba, ang ginagamit ko dati is yung color or orange. Meron siyang aloe vera. O yung isa naman, yung pink. Lahat yung mga na-try ko. Very, very effective naman. So, try nyo nang pumunta sa Watson kasi malaki yung madi-discount nyo. So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching.